Welcome back. Crime branch on Saturday evening raided a massage parlor in Panji and rescued 3 girls. Parlor was raided for running prostitution activities. Crime branch has arrested 6 people in this connection. Owner of the massage parlor, Dinesh Mishra, is absconding.
Crime branch on Saturday evening raided Priya Saloon and Spa in the heart of Panji city. 3 girls rescued are from Karnataka, Odisha and Manipur. 6 people have been arrested. Parlor was raided for running prostitution activities. Accused have been booked under Section 4, 5 and 7 of ITP Act and Section 370 of IPC. Dinesh Mishra, the owner of the spa, is absconding. Our reporter from Panji, Mukesh Kumar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Goa police has disastrously failed to trace missing explosive ammonium nitrate weighing 13,000 kilograms. This case was cracked when police raided a godown at Quepem. Now, Goa police has requested National Investigating Agency to investigate the case. But NIA is not too keen as it has not accepted the case so far. On the request of Goa police, High Court has rejected bail plea of main accused Vinay Kumar Sheth.
Nearly 5 months have passed, but Goa police is unable to trace the 13,000 kilograms of explosive ammonium nitrate, which is missing from a godown operated by accused Vinay Kumar Sheth. Vinay Kumar Sheth is a native of Karnataka and was residing at Quepem. Quepem police apprehends that accused Vinay must have sold about 13,000 kilograms of ammonium nitrate to unknown buyers illegally. Quepem police also apprehends that those explosives might have been sold to terrorist and antisocial elements. The case of illegal sale of ammonium nitrate was unearthed by Quepem police on 19 December last year, when police arrested accused Zuzain Fernandez and accused Moidin Kunhi while illegally handling explosive substances in a car. On their instance, Quepem police conducted a raid at a storeroom operated by prime accused Vinay Kumar Sheth and seized 4,330 kilograms of ammonium nitrate, 1,493 meters of fuse wire and 500 detonators. Prima facie appeared that they were likely to cause a terror attack by using the said explosive substances. On 26 December, police arrested Vinay. Further investigation revealed that accused Vinay Kumar Sheth had procured about 17,000 kilograms of ammonium nitrate from a Hyderabad-based company using forged documents. Vinay had handed over entire load of ammonium nitrate to Mohiddin Kunhi for sale and transport by a truck, but the accused has not disclosed the registration number of the truck and the name of the driver. When Quepem police failed to recover the sold explosives, they wrote a letter to the state government requesting NIA probe into the case. State government has written to Ministry of Home Affairs to hand over the investigation of this case to National Investigating Agency. NIA has not yet responded back to Goa government. Assessing the sensitivity of the crime, the High Court has rejected the bail plea of Vinay, even though Vinay is behind bars for more than 3 months without filing of a charge sheet. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Murder accused Dr. Vijay Raj Desai has deposed before the CBI that his wife Archana Desai had committed suicide and he just tried to dispose her body. He has stated that he feared being booked for abetment to suicide. Archana Desai had gone missing on 5th December 2010 and later her body was found in Savantwadi. Dr. Vijay Raj Desai was arrested by CBI for murdering his wife on 23rd April.
Dr. Vijay Raj Desai, in his first statement made before CBI, has refuted killing his wife Archana Desai. Vijay Raj Desai had stated that his wife Archana had committed suicide. Vijay Raj says that he feared that his in-laws would make a case of abetment to suicide against him, which is why he disposed the body in Savantwadi and lodged a missing complaint with Madgaon police. But CBI is not relying upon his suicide story and is further interrogating him. CBI had arrested Vijay Raj on 23rd April. CBI zeroed in on Vijay Raj as his wife had gone missing from 5th December 2010, but Vijay Raj lodged a missing complaint on 14th December. An officer related with this case told Prudent that they have enough circumstantial evidence supported by some scientific opinion that he committed murder of his wife. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.